CSIR, National Metallurgical Laboratory, NML, a premier national laboratory under the Ministry of Science and Technology, has provided the technology and process know-how to Andhra Barites Corporation Limited, ABCL, a leading barite mining company in Andhra Pradesh, to set up a 700 tons per day beneficiation plant for upgrading low-grade barite waste dumps to a value-added barite concentrate. CSIR NML has provided the process and design inputs to set up the plant through McNally Synergy Engineering Company Limited, MSEL, Bangalore, a leading mineral processing machinery manufacturing company to whom NML has transferred the technology for marketing and commercialization. MSEL and NML jointly erected and commissioned the beneficiation plant consisting of a 10-meter high, 2.5-meter diameter flotation column with state-of-the-art process automation. The first step in the beneficiation process is to grind the low-grade barites in the ball mill to less than 45 microns for proper liberation. The ground material is sent to the hopper and through the conveyor to a series of 2 conditioning tanks. In the first tank, the ground material is conditioned at 20 to 30% solids with the required dosage of sodium hydroxide to maintain the pH around 9. In the subsequent tank, a proprietary amine as a silica collector is added, which was developed by NML in collaboration with Somu Organochem Limited, Bangalore. The conditioned feed slurry is pumped to the feed point in the flotation column, which is located at a height of about 6 meters from the bottom. A feed well is provided for uniform distribution of the material across the column cross-section. The process is fully automated and controlled from a centralized panel to monitor feed slurry and reagent flow parameters. It is essential to have a stable interface of froth and slurry in the flotation column for effective separation and control over the product quality and recovery. The interface is maintained and monitored by a differential pressure transmitter and a discharge valve in a control loop through a process controller. Bubble generation system is the heart of the column flotation technology. CSIR NML has developed air-only bubble generation systems indigenously, suitable to the conditions prevailing in Indian mineral processing industry. The bubble generators are arranged across the cross-section of the column located at the bottom of the column, and a uniform steady bubble swarm is maintained throughout the column. Flotation column provides sufficient residence time and favorable quiescent conditions for particle bubble contact to take place. The discharge from the bottom of the column containing barite concentrate is sent to the high-rate thickener, and the underflow of the thickener is sent to the drum filter for dewatering. The unwanted silica and/or gangue is carried into the froth phase, overflows into the launder and further discarded to the tailing ponds. In the flotation process, froth phase plays a vital role to collect the particles and to provide the desired separation. It is of paramount importance to maintain a stable, uniform and free-flowing froth. Final product, the barites concentrate having more than 4.3 specific gravity is filtered and dried for bagging. Barites, due to their high specific gravity, have major application as drilling mud in oil well drilling industry. CSIR NML column flotation technology has provided a viable solution to treat abundantly available low-grade barite wastes and produce saleable high-grade barite concentrate.